Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Okay, today we will study confusing adjectives. And nowadays, today we are going to study about fewer or less. Okay, please pay attention and learn carefully. Okay, fewer is the comparative from the few, less is the comparative from of little. Okay, fewer is the comparative of few. Okay, and fewer and less is the comparative of little, and less is the comparative of little. Okay, fewer is used with countables nouns to mean not many. It means not many. Not many means number. Okay, and for example, we see here there are fewer votes cast in his favor. It means fewer votes means not many. Okay. Now see another example. I watch fewer telegram TV programs now as many exams are round the corner. Okay. It means fewer exams means not many. Okay. Very hardly. Okay. Less is used with countable, uncountables nouns to mean smaller amount. Okay. Less is used for uncountable nouns. Understood? Uncountable nouns. Okay. Which means a smaller amount. Some smaller amount. Okay. We see example. My father gets less time to spend with us as he has to travel a lot. Less time to spend. Less time is sometimes have, but before uncountable nouns. Okay. Please we spread less cheese on my toast. Okay. Please spread less cheese. Means some amount. Okay. Now we see example exercise. Please pay attention. Okay. Fill in the blanks with fewer or less. Okay. Blanks people are driving their cars to work these days. As a result, there is okay. It means fewer people. Okay. It means fewer people means not many. Okay. Now less traffic on the road. Less traffic means some amount. Okay. Traffic on the road. Consequently, it takes less time amount to reach the destinations. Beside, there is less population. Less population. Okay. And also fewer accident. And also fewer accident have been reported in the last few days. You can fill this blanks in this way, dear students. Okay. Now see another word. Little, a little, few, and a few. Okay. We are have to read, understand little, a little, few, and a few. Please pay attention. Okay. Now, a little and little are used with the uncountable nouns. What? Uncountable nouns. Nouns and suggest how much. Suggest how much. Okay. For example, a little suggest shortage. Little suggest shortage. It means hardly. It means hardly anything or okay. almost none. Almost none. For example, there is little milk to spare for the puppies. It means little means there is no milk. Okay, little means there is no milk at all. Okay, second example, he gave little attention to my problems. Little attention means he have no paid any attention. matlab no attention. Okay, these are the exercise explanation of this little and less, and we see another page. Turn on another page, and we are going to see a little suggest some amount. A little suggest some amount. Okay, or quantity. Or quantity. Okay, for example, they had a little milk to spare for puppies. It means a little milk. A little means some amount of milk is left. Okay, now we see second example. Okay, only a little effort is required to push this bed aside. A little effort means some effort. Okay, kuch effort. And now we see few and a few. Okay, a few and a few are used with plurals countable nouns. Plurals countable nouns and suggest how many. Suggest how many. For example, few suggest shortage. It means hardly any. Few means shortage, hardly any, almost none. For countable plural nouns, okay, few means hardly any, almost none. Okay, for example, there were few apples that were not ripe. Few apples means hardly none, nothing. Okay, few people write letters these days. Few people means nothing, no one. Okay, and we see about a few. Okay, a few suggests some or a small number. Some are a small number means some have some of a small number. For example, pass me a few marbles from the jar. It means a few means something have. She allowed her a few minutes to think an answer. It means she have few minutes left. Okay. Now we see exercise. Dear students, please pay attention. Okay. To complete the exercise. Okay. There was blank choice in between, so I had tea. There was little choice means none choice. Okay. She gave me a few useful tips. A few means something. Okay. Now another. There were few animals, no animals. In fourth, the family had a few money. A few money means nothing. I still have a little pen. Okay, a little pen means something pen. Some pen. There are a few holidays. Okay. Please pour me a little juice. Okay. The police has a few evidence. Okay. A few people like to share their personal belongings. Okay. Ninth, it takes a few time. Dear students, I have told you explanation of this exercise. If you feel any doubt, any confusion, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.